Good morning, welcome to our newest video. Today I would like to talk about roll your own tobacco. Personally, I love roll your own tobacco. The thing with roll your own tobacco is that you as a consumer become a fully fledged product designer because you can decide in what shape you want to have the cigarette, how tightly you want to pack the tobacco inside. You can decide which paper you use, a really thin one which has less off taste, or a thick one, easier to roll, but of course it has a bit more taste. You can even decide to put a filter, thin filter or a thicker filter, because it will guide you in rolling the product. And of course, if you choose to do so, you can also add something else than tobacco into your rolled cigarette. Yeah, man. Let's move on to rolling a cigarette. Personally, I don't use filters because when I smoke a roll your own cigarette, I want to. So I take my tobacco, the right amount. It's a matter of experience, depending how thick you want to roll it. Take the paper of your choice and distribute it inside the paper evenly, if you prefer the even shape. And this is where the long fibers of this tobacco come into play, because you can form a nice even rod. If the fibers were short, it wouldn't work. You try to compress it with your fingers, and then you start to flap the leaf around and make a rolling motion. The tricky part always is to tuck the corners in. It's a bit like making a bed. It's complicated. I don't like to do it myself. Tuck the corners in, fix it, wrap it around, and now comes the moment. Probably place the paper in the proper way so the gluey part is facing you, and then tuck it in. Take the corners off if you want to have the perfect look, like this. Pronto, your cigarette. Just the way I like it. Straight, firm rod. I just can't help just put it in my mouth. Ooh, just in case a hand job is not your thing, you can also use these manual rolling machines.